Students, good morning. We discussed the completion activities. You see your books and listen to me. First, choose the right answer from the options. The son-in-law was not advised to wash the garden. The son-in-law, second, the son-in-law thought it would be impolite to ask for coding. Everyone except mother-in-law thought him to be foolish. The father-in-law planned to drive out the son-in-law because his wife took much care of the son-in-law and neglecting him. Then B, match the part number and A with other content in B. Part 1, son-in-law plans his visit. Part 2, follows the advice. Part 3, suffers for foolishness. Part 4, lives in the lost house. Then session 5, listen to your teachers and fill in the blank gaps. Kind son, you have seen your lemon plants. The lemon plants are stolen by the thieves at night. I will be happy if you can watch the plants tonight and catch the thief. He also gave his son-in-law a club. In the darkness, the son-in-law was waiting for the thieves to come. Then vocabulary. Some words given was made by the in-law after them. For example, first is father-in-law. Usually make 5 words in this way: sister-in-law, mother-in-law, brother-in-law, daughter-in-law and son-in-law. Then students, the underlined sentences tells the son-in-law looks like a lamb, but he was not a lamb. We use look like to say something to someone looks like something or someone else different. At sunset morning, the sun looks like a big ball. The girl looks like a princess in her fancy dress. Clouds, the sky sometimes look like elephants. The clear blue sky looks like an umbrella. Her face looks like a moon. Then uses son-in-law is a long word. The head of word is son. When we change son-in-law into plural, it becomes sons-in-law. ସେଇଭଳି daughter-in-laws, daughters-in-law, ଏମିତି father-in-law ଅଛି, fathers-in-law ହେବ। ଠିକ୍ brother-in-law ଅଛି, brothers-in-law ହେବ। sister-in-law ଅଛି, sisters-in-law ହେବ। Now the opposite word, match the words in the A with B words, opposite words meanings, write the serial numbers and words boxes in. One is done for you, high, low, pleased, displeased, polite, impolite, careful, careless, fortunate, unfortunate, fresh, rotten, dry, wet, foolish, clever, innocent, guilty, comfort, discomfort, willing, unwilling, kind, cruel. Now students, the comprehension questions. Write answer the following question. What is the story about? The story is about a foolish son-in-law who advised him to what to do, what not to. His friends advised him what to do, what not to do. Why did he want to have a pudding? When his mother-in-law gave pudding to his son-in-law, he denied. He said no. 2 drops of pudding dropped in his plate. He tasted it, so he wanted to have puddings. Where was the pudding kept? The pudding was kept on the sikka. What happened when tried to get pudding? When he tried to get pudding, the pots of pudding dropped over his head. Why father-in-law angry? His father-in-law was angry because the son-in-law not wanted to go home. Who planned to drive him out? The father-in-law planned a trick to drive him out. Why did he live in the house? When he beat his mother-in-law unknowingly at night in the garden, he felt ashamed, so he did not like to show his face. Then he left the father-in-law's house. Started that father-in-law said to friend after his son-in-law wanted to give consulting this. Do you know, I drove the son-in-law. He was foolish, but my wife thought that he had not foolish. She gave her delicious food every day. He neglected me, so I thought of a plan. I asked my son-in-law to go to the garden to plant tree. I gave him a club to beat the thief. It was night. I asked my son-in-law to bring I asked my wife to bring a lemon for me. When she plucked a lemon to the son-in-law, thrashed her. He felt ashamed coming to know that he had thrashed his mother-in-law. Out of shame, he left my home. I breathed a relief. So students, I completed the topic. I also write your answer in the question answer paper and send me to my WhatsApp number. You also know that WhatsApp number is 99388300014, and I would like to correct your answer. If any doubts, then send me. Thank you.